Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Hi, my name is Tarun Singh and I'm the founder of Easy My Storage. We are into self-storage industry and I'll be presenting my pitch. So I'll give you a company overview what we do in Easy My Storage. So we have our packing and moving service. We do household and office storage, business storage. We do order processing and fulfillment, and we have on-demand warehousing. On short and long term, we have no long-term contracts with any of the people we provide service. So I started this company in 2020 when COVID hit India, and we bring down the rent up to 80% for individuals and businesses. We offer comprehensive suite of storage solution designed to cater a wide range of requirement. Whether you are a business looking to streamline your order processing and fulfillment, any individual in need or secure and convenient self storage, a family seeking a safe haven for your household items, we have you covered. The problem that we saw in the market is cluttered space in home and offices, limited space for personal belonging and business inventory. We talk about the tier 1 cities, high cost and long term contracts. If you go out in the market and want to take a full warehouse for rent, there are like high cost. You have to pay for the full warehouse where and you have to do the long term contracts with the owners. And most of the small and medium e-commerce startups are being operated from home. In the market, like growing e-commerce business struggle with managing inventory, order fulfillment and delivery, and that is hindering their ability to scale their efficiency. Our solution that we bring is we help declutter home and office space by storing their extra goods, documents and inventory in our warehouses. We have our transparent pricing and flexible plans, short term and long term storage without lock in periods. We don't have any lock in periods, so you can withdraw your goods anytime, any day, whenever you want. And we are helping small and medium e-commerce businesses to store goods and process their orders. We provide on-demand storage facility. You can book our storage today and keep your belongings from tomorrow or even today with easy retrieval options. I'll give you a service breakdown of our revenue. Most of the revenue we are generating it from household storage, that is 50%. Packing and moving is our 25%. E-commerce is 20% and business storage is 5% as of now. Our target market or target customers are residential customer, business clients, students and professionals, collectors and frequent travelers. Market validation in 2022, the self-storage industry was $56.8 billion, and it is growing at the rate of 5.9%, and it is expected to grow by 89.94 billion by 2028. Our business model, what we do, we have our self storage and shared spaces, business storage, automobile storage, packing and moving services. We have document storage and e-commerce storage for small and medium enterprises. Traction and company roadmap, in Q1 to 2025, we will be strengthening operations and expanding market reach. In Q2, we will be introducing our technology for self storage. Q3, scaling operations and improving our technology. We will be going for the mobile application. And in Q5, we are looking for innovation and leadership in tech driven storage solutions. So meet our team. I'm the co-founder, Tarun Singh. I have 8+ years of experience in logistic industry. Leena, she is managing partner and co-founder. Our mentor is Shiji Babu. He is a serial entrepreneur and He's mentoring us. Our growth journey, we started in 2021, and we did around 12 lakh 76,000 of revenue in 21-22. In 22-23, we achieved 28 lakhs. In 23-24, last to last year, we did 54 lakh. And this year, currently, we have done 66 lakh, and we are targeting around 85 lakh by the end of this year. Financial projection, year one, we like from next year we are targeting 3 cr, in year 2 5 cr, year 3 9 cr, year 4 14, and year 5 28 cr. Marketing strategy, we have our online presence, brand identity, we run referral programs, we do events and promotions also. Our major competitors in India is Stonest, Infinite Storage, My Rent a Space, and Store My Goods. Competitive advantage we have over the other players in the market. We have our flexible storage solution, tech driven experience, comprehensive range of services. We are very cost effective, and we have done partnership and with the local presence in the expansion plan. We are asking for 2 cr mainly for the technology that we will be building, and most of the funds will be going into infra because we have to rent out bigger space in other cities. That's it. Thank you.
So what's your current burn, monthly burn, or you are profitable?
We are profitable, we are not burning.
And what's your margin? So 20%.
20%.
And how much capital you have deployed till date?
How much capital? We started in like 2020, we started with 3 lakh rupees. We started with a very small facility in Noida. Now we have around 18,000 square feet of area in Noida, 4,000 square feet in Delhi, and then Gurgaon. We have tie up in Bangalore and Mumbai, but we will be starting very soon with our own facility in Bangalore and Mumbai also.
So currently you are only in NCR.
Currently, we have our own facilities in NCR.
And what's your occupancy of?
All the warehouses are running at 95% occupancy.
So why do you need money?
I'll tell you, we have online presence, and customer can come to our website. They can book and do the onboarding, everything. I think we need to go on application based, so customer can get the notification. They can see their inventory, how much inventory they have stored with us. With one click, they can retrieve their goods. Even we have seen customers, they are storing it for long term. Let's suppose you have stored 10 boxes with us, but you want to store the box number 5. So you have to call our team, get in touch with the transport team, then we'll do the transportation. But with the application, you can just, check in with the box number 6, and you can easily retrieve the box number 6. So mainly the funds will go into tech and innovation. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.